Hey beautiful people, what's up? So I'm on the road. I'm actually just coming from dinner. I went to chilling just to have some food with some friends. I was invited by Sue, so thank you, Sue. So we're at the second stop for tonight. It is at, what's it called? Oh my god, I can't remember. So this is club that you have to be invited to in order to get in. Your name has to be on the list. It's in the, oh my god, when I get the name, I'll put it on it. I can't fully remember the name, but it's a secret bar that I've been seeing all over the internet. So super excited to take you guys in there and see what the vibe is all about. So let's going and see what's going on. Happy Friday. So I'm out again in the car. I'm actually at Top Bar right now. Top Bar is at Devon House, and my friend Sue invited me there doing some taco tasting. I guess it's for a new menu. So again, thank you Sue for inviting me out. So we're gonna head inside right now because I am running late. Let me turn off the car, and you know, you always see the feet later, but we're just working very casual, just sneakers, skirt, and this cute top, regular jewelry and all of that. So let's head out.
She's so cold. She can make crime on me, oh Lord. Need a little time for me, oh no. Broke me to a tiny piece, she wrong. Felony, felony, oh. Yeah, felony, felony, oh. She can make crime on me, oh Lord.
Hey guys, so we are finished with Top Bar. I'm not gonna lie, everything that we had there, it was perfect. So it is their new menu that they have launched, and yeah, everything that we had, I can't fully remember, but I know we had the burrito that was pretty good. We had the pizza, it was shrimp and something else pizza. It was, everything was so good. So y'all should definitely check out Top Bar. And overall the service was good. Our waitress, she was very nice. I can't remember her name, but yeah, overall everything was good. So now my friend, I am actually in the parking lot, just waiting on the car now to head to Janga's. So my friend Shanika is here, so we're just gonna meet up at Janga's and just have a little Friday night outing. And yeah, so remember y'all, I went out last night. That was Thursday. Tonight is Friday, and then tomorrow, the plan for tomorrow is Jamaica Food and Drink Festival, y'all. And then after that, I should be going to a party in the night, which is Recall. So y'all, as you can see, I have been pretty busy for this weekend. I don't think I haven't gone out in the longest time, and also back to back. Like, I'm really acting like I'm young this week. So I know next week comes, I'm going to be exhausted because of all this outing that I'm doing, but yeah, so we're gonna head to Janda's, just vibe a bit, and then I'll check you guys tomorrow for the food and drink festival. Keeping our fingers crossed, that is the plan. So hopefully I'm not too tired tomorrow, and y'all know it's food, I love food. So yeah, and there's noise in the background right now, so I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. The third stop for the night, we are at finally.
That's a big dance. Chrome heart got me kissing on his best friend. Put in work, baby, you could be my best man.
Vibes Cartel, bust a blanket at the party, please, and thanks. Put on your hand them. Me have to ask one more question. Kyle, you have to listen. Let's move. Everybody in the party will love them mother. And you know, say for boy, this your mother. 6'6", now miss him down a romance funeral home. Put up your hand on the front, must have black and send a man. Just step up, go big up, boss, me still in a chest, me no ninja, one of the strength. Dancer, you name it. We know we rape cartel, we rape massacre, we rape alkaline. All we rape chronic and say one love. One love.
I tell all my hoes, break it up, break it down, back it up, fuck 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 it up.
Hey guys, so it's the next day. Happy Saturday night. We're moving on to 10:30, 40 something, and we're supposed to leave out of our home 10:30. But anyways, we're almost dressed. Makeup is all done, just very light, simple. So we just need to try to figure out our hair. I actually washed my hair today and it's still not dry. At least this gives a little curl. I was trying to use like a blow dry out to sort it out, but oh my god, it's still wet. Darn it. But yeah, we're heading to Recall tonight. It's like a 90s type of party, so that's what we're getting dressed for. Like I told y'all, it is a busy party weekend. Like I haven't gone out this much in a while. Oh my god, the hair is still wet. At least it still gives curl. So I'm just gonna wrap up my hair, and then once I'm fully dressed, I am gonna show you guys the face, and then we're gonna hurry up and head out. Alright guys, so we are dressed, so this need to like just lotion my hands again and just add my regular jewelry. I kind of use the blow dryer just now and just try to blow up more so it can get a little bit more fluffy. Oh my god, it's 5 to 11. We always running behind, child. Just regular jewelry. And we're out of here. Won't be able to show you. You know what? When I get to the event, I'll show you guys the full fit. Because we're running late right now. Alright guys, so there's just one thing that's missing from this whole outfit. I know you haven't seen it yet, but since it's like a 90s vibe party, I think we need to rock a shades tonight, don't you think? Well, let me fix this. Yeah, I think we need to rock a shades tonight. This is clean. Nope. Let's clean it before we put it on. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is what we're working with tonight. Let me look in my mirror here properly. Okay. I do need to bring like some powder for my nose just in case I want to remove the glasses throughout the night. Then I will be able to do that. But yeah, I'm working with this vibe. What y'all think? All right, we are ready to go. I'll see you guys at the event. Yeah, let's go.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dogs that I grew beside, all the niggas round me, died and they died, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right.
So it's Sunday, it's a happy Sunday. So I left off at the vlog last night where we went to the 90s party that is called. Yeah, it was such a good time. We all had a good time. So I just wanted to close off the vlog, y'all, because today's Sunday, like I said, but we are not going to Isle of Souls. No, we have things to do. We have things to do and we are extremely tired. we have been partying from Thursday all the way to Saturday, and yeah, I'm acting like I'm 19 years old back in the day. No, girl. Anyways, yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed that little whole party Kingston nightlife scene that I've been doing, that I did. But yeah, subscribe if you haven't, comment down below, and yeah, I'll see you guys in another vlog.